Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can claim a warranty on Amazon US. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to amazon.com or amazon.us and log in to your Amazon account. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and click on Returns and Orders. Now, for our next step, click on Problem with Order next to the product that you wish to claim a warranty on. If the issue falls under warranty, select the option that fits. Now, Amazon might offer a return, a refund, or connect you with the manufacturer. If it is a manufacturer warranty, choose to contact them. You can either use chat, email, or call options to explain the issue. Be ready with your order ID, product details, and maybe some photos if available. The next step I can give you is to keep your message clear and polite. Example: Hi, my wireless earphones stopped charging after 2 months. You're under warranty. Can you help with the replacement? Or something simple as that. Once you verify the warranty, you'll get further instructions. Often, a free replacement or a repair is provided. And that's it. As simple as that, you have claimed a warranty for Amazon. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!